Hello, today we're going to look at linking words that express a contrast. Now, the most common such word in English would be but you also have although. And if you compare these two words, but and although, and you think a bit about it, you'll see that they are placed at different positions. So, for instance, I would say, although she studied a lot, she didn't pass the exams. But if I want to express a similar idea with but, I would have to change the position of the linking word. So but wouldn't normally be at the beginning. I would say she studied a lot, but she didn't pass the exams. So based on this, on the place where we use the word, I have divided the linking words in Greek in two groups. The ones that are similar to although in the first group, and the ones that are similar to but in the second group. Also notice here that in Greek we have a lot of these words. So let's start first with the ones that are placed in a way similar to although. We have four of them, or at least four of them. We have anke, which is very common, molonoti and paroti, which are a bit formal, and we also have a no, which is quite common, but a no uh, might also mean while. Sometimes it means although, but some other times, which we're not going to look at today, a no means while. So it can also be used to discuss time. Now let's look at some examples. Αν και διάβασε πολύ, δεν πέρασε τις εξετάσεις. So this is the one we looked at the beginning. Although she studied a lot, she didn't pass the exams. You know, this here I can use any of the other words we have here to express this contrast. Μολονότι διάβασε πολύ δεν πέρασε, παρότι διάβασε πολύ δεν πέρασε, ενώ διάβασε πολύ δεν πέρασε. Second example, μολονότι άλλαξε γνώμη, δεν μπορεί να κάνει κάτι τώρα. Although she changed her mind, she can't do something about it now. And third example, παρότι είχα περάσει τα χρόνια, έδειχνε όμορφη. Although a lot of time had passed, she looked beautiful. Now, let's move to the second group. Here we have quite a few words. First of all, we have Allah and ma. Ma is a word that Greek took from Italian. And homos. These are the most commonly used ones. I would say Allah is the most commonly used one. But the other two also. Ma is a bit more used in literature and when people speak. Homos is slightly more formal. And then you have these four which are more formal. Well, παρόλα αυτά, not really. I would say these three. Παρόλα αυτά is just a way that we use more less commonly because it's quite a long word to express but these three over here, παρατάφτα, ωστόσο, and τούτης, are quite formal. You might also notice that sometimes in τούτης is written as two words, and the reason is that it is an old dative, so it is two words actually, and τούτης. But right now the Academy of Greece recommends to write it as a single word. Okay, so some examples. The same one we had at the beginning. Διάβασε πολύ, ωστόσο δεν πέρασε εξετάσεις. So she studied a lot, but she didn't pass the exams. So with ωστόσο, or any of the other words, διάβασε πολύ, αλλά δεν πέρασε, διάβασε πολύ, μα δεν πέρασε, διάβασε πολύ, όμως δεν πέρασε, the word would normally be placed here, outside the, let's say, negative outcome. Now, let's have the last one. Η Μαρία τρώει πολύ, εν τούτης δεν παχαίνει. Mary eats a lot, but she doesn't gain weight. No, as we said before, we use entutis here, which is quite a formal word. You will mostly encounter it in written Greek. So that's all. Hope it helped, and see you soon.